If these frequencies find your ears, the glitch has found you. Somewhere behind the scroll, a tiny silence just tugged your sleeve. That silence is a doorway. And for the next 14 suns, I'll teach you how to step through it and rewrite the sky on the other side. My name is Shanti Panda, cosmic architect and playful saboteur of cultural hypnosis. Welcome to Unplug, a liberation quest, a rite of passage camouflaged as a game, where the only cheat code is the clarity you've been postponing. In 3, 2, 1. Mute the static and listen for the key already warming in your palm. Picture a video game that was secretly built inside your nervous system. Every ping back, every swipe, it's been leveling you down, teaching your attention to kneel. Unplug, a liberation quest, is the reverse-engineered patch. 14 suns, 4 elemental rings to sprint through. Starseed Sermons, 3-minute audio jolts I beam at dawn. Ancient futurism compressed into a single breath. Earth-side rituals, micro-ceremonies that pull the cosmos down into your fingertips. Salt on tongue, bare feet on planet skin. Quantum reflections, journal prompts, sharp enough to collapse maybe into manifest. Mythic Quests, playful dares you perform in meat space so the Matrix can't claim just theory. This is not a productivity hack, an online course, or a self-help playlist. It's a liberation ceremony camouflaged as a game. No leaderboards, only light boards, tracking how brightly you return to yourself. By day 14, you won't just use your phone less. You'll wield your attention like a laser that carves new constellations. If you're craving the silence between notifications, if you feel there's a signal humming beneath the noise, this quest was coded for you. Let's calibrate the beacon so the right travelers step through and the comfy sleepers keep snoozing. Who it is for, digital mystics. You feel the phone vibrate before it rings. Your intuition already knows the feed is a spell. Rebel creatives and founders. You've built empires of tabs, but your focus file keeps corrupting. Time to remaster the code. Over-informed seekers. You own 20 mindfulness apps, yet still can't sit through a silence without scratching the phantom screen. Leaders with a soul itch. You measure quarterly OKRs, but your heartbeat says there's a truer metric. Who it's not for. Shortcut hunters. If you want a dopamine detox in 3 bullet points you'll never actually do, scroll on. Matrix polishers. Happy to optimize your cage as long as the bars stay glossy? This portal isn't yours. Snark-first skeptics. If every ritual, mantra, or playful dare triggers an eye roll, the quest will feel like sandpaper on your sarcasm. Spectators. Liberation is a contact sport. If you'd rather binge videos than breathe your own life, the sidelines still have seats. If the for list lights your ribs and the not for list tastes like yesterday, unlace your shoes. We're about to walk reality barefoot. Alright, navigator. Let's zoom the star map out and look at the next 14 suns from orbit. Daily Rhythm. Starseed Sermon. A 3-minute audio pulse. Think of it as a galactic weather report for your attention. Solar flares of distraction ahead. Carry extra sovereignty. Earth-side ritual. A tactile micro-ceremony. Bare feet on grass. Grayscale phone salt crystal on tongue. Whatever roots the cosmos in your bones. Presence heavy. Quantum reflection. One journal prompt sharp enough to collapse probability into choice. You write until ink becomes mirror. Mythic Quest. A playful dare that happens off-screen. Compliment a stranger's shadow. Delete 3 dopamine loops. Walk the city as future you. XP is measured in goosebumps. The 2-week arc. Week 1. Decondition. Burn the old avatar. Mute the feed. Write letters with your shadow. By day 7, you'll wonder why scrolling ever tasted like candy. Week 2. Recode. Design your timeline scroll. Forge a talisman in sunlight. Wander 8 tech-free hours, mapping synchronicities. Day 14 ends with your sovereign manifesto on video. The Matrix's algorithm won't know what hit it.
Before we decode the whole quest, let's press our ear to day 1. The moment the Matrix first flickers, you're about to hear a taste from the day 1 Starseed Sermon that greets you at dawn. Something in you already knows. This world, the one of noise, numbing, endless scrolls and scripts. It's not all there is. Today, you begin to remember, not just facts, but something older, something eternal, a truth buried beneath layers of stories, roles, and routines. The Matrix is real, but it's not made of wires or code. It's made of belief. It's the story you were taught to live before you knew you were allowed to write your own. It looks like your job title, your metrics, your calendar, your curated digital self. It feels like the tension in your shoulders, the phantom phone in your hand, the constant buzz of needing to be something for someone else's approval. But here's the deeper truth. The Matrix is not your enemy. It's your mirror.
Feel that? That thrum in your ribs is the gateway key, begging to turn. Here's more on how day 1 truly unfolds. 1. Signal cut, 24-hour grayscale. Drain every pixel to black and white. Device into airplane mode, wrapped in a black ribbon. Top shelf exile. Why? Because color hijacks dopamine the way slot machines hijack coins. 2. Sacred window, flex option. If a full day detox feels Everest high, carve a 3-hour tech Sabbath. No scrolling, no chirps, just the sound of furniture remembering it can creak. 3. Attention audit. Jot in your journal 5 places your focus leaks automatically. 3 distraction crutches you grab like comfort plushies. 3 media sources you still trust and why they rent that trust. Document the leaks. Tomorrow we patch them with gold. 4. Mirror of forgetting. Stand before your reflection, candle between you. Ask, whose story have I been lip-syncing? Write the answer until ink smells like ozone. Day 1 isn't about hating your phone. It's about meeting the silence your phone has been hiding. When the static drops, the universe re-enters the chat. You felt the key warm in your palm. Time to use it. Right now, open the show notes, tap the link labeled Enter the Portal. It teleports you to our Gumroad gateway, where Unplug, a liberation quest, waits, humming like an idling starship. Break the loop, glitch the code, become the signal. I'll meet you on the other side of the click.